Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. So I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you today and I'll be telling you what exactly you need to know right now. It could be in any situation, relationships, career, if you're stuck in issues, problems, confusions, anything going on in your mind right now, whatever you need to hear right now is in these cards. So these are pre-shuffled cards and I've made 3 piles here. Pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. You just need to choose your pile and I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. Also, these are timeless readings. So please remember that anytime you open these cards or anytime this video comes in front of you, that's the time for you to hear what's in these cards. And also these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with you completely. So whatever resonates, please take that and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. Let's start with pile number 1. All right, so people who've chosen pile number 1, things are stuck for you, have been stuck for you, especially people who've been stuck in finances. There's whoever is facing financial stress. If you need help, your matters of finances, loans, they haven't been passed or anything, it's just a temporary phase that's going on. Success is on the cards, so please don't lose hope. And I see everything going in your favor in a very, very short span of time, and unexpected things are going to happen for the positive. So things haven't been moving at the moment, but soon I see things moving in your favor. Just hang on in there and wait just see how things just take shape. It's just a matter of about maximum 2 to 2.5 months. That's the maximum time you just need to wait. You've pulled through, you've just come this long, and you face this kind of a situation. It's absolutely fine. Just another and maximum 2.5 months. Success is on the cards. Keep that spirit of achievement, determination in you. Don't lose hope, and success is on the cards. So please, you're very close to achieving your goals. That's what the Moonology cards say. So yeah, it's just a very small phase of time that you need to pass. A very small temporary phase, and good news is arriving soon, and great spiritual growth will be experienced. So for those of you who are stuck right now and waiting and seeing things are not happening, please don't be disheartened. All your works will be done. Relationships that aren't working, you will see a new beginning, new tomorrow. Things will start getting better for you. It's just that you need to wait. So use this time for meditation, for to connect to the higher self, see where you've gone wrong, and this is a very auspicious time for you to self-analyze and do self-realization. Anything that you have not achieved in the past, all you have been waiting for will come true. The angel gods are passing by. So just remember that don't have negative thoughts coming in your mind because you're stuck. The cards are telling you great news, good news is arriving very soon. For most of you, things will happen within the next 2 months, and if not, then maximum time 2.5 months, and you're going to see all those things just set for you in a platter, and maybe much more than you expected. So that was pile number 1. Let's see what's in store for pile number 2. All right, pile number 2. I must say you have been very content. That's an extremely positive thing to see, that whatever you've desired, for whatever you were waiting for has come true. Relationships are going well. The major thing that you really need to know at this point in time is that your intuitions are working. Your gut feeling, whatever your gut is telling you, please follow that. You're very intuitive at this point in time. So remember that any decisions you're making, you don't need to rely on anybody. It's your own feeling, that gut feeling that you're coming for the right and the wrong. Your own self will tell you this is right, this is wrong, this is black, this is white. So it's a very positive time for you to make your own decisions, take your own decisions. Also, a lot of you must be feeling that your efforts in some situations, on the whole, there is a lot of contentment, but for some of you, I do see that you know you were expecting a lot more, but the situation hasn't given you more, or there is some kind of a stress, things are not under your control. So just remember, it's just a matter of 18 days for you, and how things just start coming into place, and whatever you had wished for, whatever you were wanting, will happen in the next 18 days for a lot of you. Maximum time 22 days. So on the whole, please meditate. The cards are telling you, listen to your gut feeling, it's very positive for you. And please have a bath with salt water to evade off any negativity that's surrounding you, because your energies are very high, so they tend to attract a lot of negativity also. So you really need to have salt water baths at least for the next 10 days. People who've got this reading done for financial problems, please save on money. The cards are telling you, please, this is what you need to hear. Everything is in place, but, and I see money coming in also, but right now saving is the key. It's very important for you to save onto your expenses. Again, financial worries, people are having problems. You will get your loans, you will get whatever you were waiting for. Just some time, and 18 days, like I've already said, but you need to save money. Other cards are also confirming that negativity is around. So meditation and salt water baths are very important. Rest, 18 to 22 days, you see how your life comes back to a great positive balance. Everything is in control, and your intuition, your gut feeling, everything will just guide you in the right direction. Wherever you need to be, you will be guided. A very powerful change is coming for you, coming at your end, pile number 2. Very positive and very, it's gonna take you places. It's a very positive time that's coming to you, or that's coming to you. And this time, just use this time to think of the big things that you can achieve later. You're going to have, you're going to be seeing success and triumph. Anything that's blocking your way at this point in time, or like I have said, that there is negativity all around you, that's absolutely fine. These are just small obstacles that you will just be able to remove, and you are going to have great ambitions, and that the universe itself is going to give you great energy to fulfill these ambitions. But remember, meditation for you is the key. Listening to your gut, and when you keep meditating, your chakras, they start telling you, they start opening up. This is your own time for self-realization, and it's going to help you to take decisions that will be very beneficial for you. Because remember that you will always think for your betterment and your best. So this kind of a powerful change that's coming your way is definitely for your own spiritual growth, physical, mental, everything will be taken care of. Just give yourself 18 days and you'll be sorted. Let's see what we have for pile number 3. All right, pile number 3. Everything is in control. Health, wealth, money, family, love, relationships, everything that you've desired, you have achieved. If not, you are on the verge of achieving it. I do not see any, stopping or any looking back at the moment. If there were confusions, if there were problems, soon they're going to be coming to an end. You're going to take that decision of how, where, what, which relationship, everything is coming to an end, but a positive one. And I see your family life blooming. And if you've hung in those emotions, if you've kept them inside, if you've had pent up emotions, this is the time to just release all of that. And a very good time for you to connect to nature, do things that make you happy, I've always mentioned about giving back to nature. This is a very good time for giving back to nature, giving back in any form. It could be just feeding the needy, feeding the animals who are there on the streets, or just doing some small good deed, watering the plants, anything that you feel you can do and it's within your reach. That's the way you give it back, because you will and have got whatever you wanted. If things haven't happened, it's just, this is the time. Things are just going to happen in any time. It's the time period is also very less, so celebration or that whatever you've been waiting for is on the cards. Very good time for women to conceive or start planning a family. And if you, especially if women, you were thinking of taking a break from work and relaxing, resting, taking time off for yourself, this is a very good time. You can do anything that's creative. You want to take some break from your regular routine, you want to get into some creative field, creative work, this is a very good time for you. That wait is going to be over for anything that you've been longing for. And the cards are very positive. Determination and that fire element is present in you. It's going to it's just there to give you whatever you've wanted. Achievement is on the cards, success is on the cards, relationships are here to bloom. If things haven't been working out, it's just going to start happening overnight. Things are going to get very in place the way you wanted them to happen. Any confusions, whether to invest here, whether to invest there, which business should I start, everything is coming to a closure, and for the benefit of for your benefit. And these are extremely positive cards for people who were thinking of doing a new business, some new venture on your career front, planning a family. And women, this is a very strong card. This is a very strong pile for you. Whatever you desire will be yours. This is the time for you to win over your partners, win over your husbands. It's very positive time for you. Cards are also telling you, please meditate. You need to, like I've said, that you need to weigh options if you're starting anything new. Any confusions you have in your head, this is the time to just contemplate and decide that what is the best thing that's coming in store for you. Yes, decision making is very important, especially for those who are starting something new or are stuck in financial matters. Things are coming to an end for the positive, but your decision making is very important. Celebration is on the cards. Remember, things are going to happen the way you want them. Maximum time, for a lot of you, 24 days is the time for new beginnings to be happening. Determination is on the cards. Please have that spirit of I will achieve it. But like I said, things are coming under your control, but you need to make sure that this control is for the benefit of others also. You cannot start dominating people. That domination or that ego should not be rubbed in the wrong manner. Rest, please meditate and surrender to the Almighty. Just do your job. Those who have done it, just keep waiting. This is your time. You will get the results. Just meditate and see the best options for yourself. You need to be more adaptable and tolerant towards change, because a new phase is coming in your life. A new change is coming for especially the ones who have already said starting a family or starting a new business venture, anything. It's time for change and new beginnings. It's a very positive time. But remember that with these positive changes, you yourself need to become very tolerant and adaptable. Maybe you meet new people, you socialize with new people for your work, anything. The cards are very assuring, especially in terms of career, business, and family. People, I have already mentioned that things are going to be under control, but make sure that you stay grounded. Listen to your inner voice, and for that you really need to meditate. Meditation is the key. So I hope these readings were resonant with you, and if they were, please leave your comments in the comment section. And if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you shall get posted every time I post a new video. And I'll be coming back with more such readings, and I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.